Good evening, friends. Today our topic of discussion is Mehul Choksi, mastermind of PNB Ghotala, arrested. Mehul Choksi, 62-year-old Indian who was the mastermind of PNB scam, has been apprehended in Dominica on May 26, 2021 and is in the custody of the CID of Dominica. Mehul Choksi was involved in PNB scam where he had, along with his nephew Nirav Modi, looted PNB of $2 billion or rupees 13,500 crores. The scam was committed in 2011 during Congress rule and it came to the notice of the government in 2017. CBI started secret inquiry into the case and questioned top bosses of PNB. And since Mehul Choksi and Nirav Modi got the air of it, they planned to secretly leave India. Even before the CBI and ED could start questioning Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi, they fled the country quietly. Many people started criticizing Modi government for letting these criminals go out of India. These people did not realize that Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi had got loans during the Congress rule and had top level connections with Congress leadership and the PNB. So, moment they got information that central agencies are planning to take action against them, they silently fled the country. On January 1, 2018, Mehul Choksi's family left India for New York. On January 4, 2018, Choksi left for USA from Mumbai. On January 29, 2018, PNB filed FIR against Mehul Choksi and Nirav Modi. CBI filed FIR on January 31, 2018 to start investigating in the case. Mehul Choksi had Indian citizenship from 1959 till 2017. Thereafter, Choksi took Antiguan citizenship in 2017 and on July 8, 2018 arrived in Antigua. It is surprising to some as to how Mehul Choksi got Antiguan citizenship so easily. To get Antiguan citizenship, one has to pay $1 lakh or rupees 75 lakhs for investment purpose and Antigua will give you citizenship. This is their policy under citizenship by investment plan, and under this plan citizenship is given in 3 to 4 months. Total expenditure comes to rupees 1.5 crores including other expenses. Antigua is a small island country located in the Caribbean. There are 16 island countries in the Caribbean and 13 out of these are also part of West Indies. Total population of Antigua is 95,800. During COVID crisis, India had gifted 35,000 COVID vaccines to Antigua. Court case against Mehul Choksi is going on in Antigua also for his deportation back to India by CBI and ED. On the other hand, Nirav Modi's nephew Mehul Choksi had also fled to London. On the other hand, Nirav Modi, nephew of Mehul Choksi, had also fled to London, United Kingdom, is presently lodged in UK prison and is likely to be repatriated back to India soon. Case has been filed against Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi for criminal conspiracy, criminal breach of trust, cheating and dishonesty. On Tuesday, May 25, 2021, Vijay Agarwal, Mehul Choksi's lawyer, said Mehul Choksi is missing and family members are worried and anxious and had called me to discuss. Vijay Agarwal said family of Mehul Choksi is in the dark and worried about his safety. Antigua police immediately launched a manhunt for Mehul Choksi. Mehul Choksi was seen by locals driving in the Jolly Harbour area on Sunday, May 23, 2021 evening around 5 p.m. where he had gone for dinner. Choksi left his home on May 23, 2021 evening for dinner at a well-known restaurant in the southern part of the island and was never seen again. Choksi's vehicle was discovered in Jolly Harbour later in the evening, but there was no sign of him. On May 25, 2021, Antiguan Prime Minister Gaston Brown said that there was no reliable information of Choksi's departure so far and it was likely that he was still in the country. Antiguan police filed a missing person notice with Interpol for a yellow notice to be circulated immediately to trace Choksi. A yellow notice is a global police alert for a missing person. It is published for victims of parental abductions, criminal abductions, kidnapping or unexplained disappearances. It was believed that Choksi may have fled to Cuba or to some other Caribbean country. But since criminal proceedings against Choksi were going on in Antigua, possibility of his fleeing by air was ruled out since he was on target of Antiguan police. So, it was believed that he would have taken a boat to Cuba or some other Caribbean country. But finally, Choksi was apprehended in Dominica on May 26, 2021. Police in Dominica are making arrangements to hand him over to Antigua police. Antiguan Prime Minister Brown has also confirmed that Choksi has been arrested in Dominica and said that he has asked Dominican government to repatriate him directly to India. Antiguan PM said Choksi does not get protection of Antiguan nationality. Antiguan PM said that since Choksi had entered Dominica illegally, he should be declared PNG, persona non grata, and sent to India directly. Dominican government confirmed that Mehul Choksi has been arrested and is in their custody and that he will be deported to India. Dominican government is highly obliged to India because of Indian vaccine diplomacy. India had given Dominica 1 lakh COVID-19 vaccines free of cost, to which Dominican Prime Minister had written a very emotional letter to Prime Minister Modi. It is believed that Mehul Choksi will soon be deported back to India from Dominican Republic, and Choksi will come back to India by a special jet being arranged by Indian government. On the other hand, court proceedings against Nirav Modi are also going on, and the London court had given orders for repatriation of Nirav Modi to India. It is expected that Nirav Modi may also come back to India, and a special cell has already been booked for him in Arthur Jail in Mumbai. The deportation of both Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi in the Rupees 13,500 crore PNB scam is a big achievement for Modi government, although full money cannot be recovered from these two criminals, but this action will discourage other criminals from committing crimes and then leaving India. Indian government has already recovered $3.5 million from Nirav Modi. Besides, all other properties and bank accounts have been seized in India and also in France. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.